Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install Discord on your Windows PC. First step is going to be to open up Google Chrome, and then inside of Google Chrome, you guys want to search up Discord download. And then it's going to be the first link right here. Download Discord to talk. Left click it, and then you guys want to hit the download for Windows button right here. And then just give it a couple seconds to download. It'll be pretty quick. But basically with Discord, with the Discord installer, it's actually instant. So you guys don't have to actually do any settings for it. It will automatically download it for you. So once it's done here, we're going to be able to get to see how that runs. So just give it a second real quick. And here you go. Now that it's done, you guys can just double click on it. And it will open up the Discord setup.exe. And if you give it a couple seconds, there you go. You didn't have to click anything. You just double click the installer and it's already installing Discord and updating it. I gave it a default folder path and everything. Already done for you, nothing to do. All you guys need to do here is just to register if you don't have an account already, or just log in, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.